ìdìbò tó ń dì ní 2019.
Productivity. We will make sure this country, the entire Nigeria is insecure. People are living in fear. People are living in hunger. People have no job. Everybody is suffering. Our schools are closed. That is what I and Daddy have come to secure and unite Nigeria. We want to make Nigerians to stop suffering by creating and moving Nigeria from consumption to production. When we do that, people will start working. We want people to have jobs. After university students today, 4 years will be 4 years.
Yes, sir.
No more school strike.
Yes, sir.
And I'm telling people who are doing business, we will support small businesses.
Just today, the Labour Party has the best presidential candidate. He has the character, he has the image, he has the competence, he has what it takes to change the political dynamics of Nigeria.